How are you all? I hope you all are well and doing wonderful at your home. So now let's start our today's class, and today's topics are addition with carrying and subtraction with borrowing. Before this we have done addition with no carrying and subtraction with no borrowing. So let's learn how to do addition with carrying. So first one, let's see the first one. 57 plus 16. We know that we add ones column, ones place digit, and write at the ones place digit the answer, the sum, and then we add the tens place digit and write the sum at the tens place digit. So this 7 and this 6. When 7 and 6 is added, what we get? We will get 13. Now 13 is a two-digit number, and we know that at one place only one digit can come. Here we need to write ones place digit, and here we need to write the tens place digit, and then the hundreds place digit will come. So when we added 7 and 6, we got 13, and in 13 it is a two-digit number, means 3 is at the ones place and this 1 is at the tens place. So what we will going to do? We need to write the ones place digit, which is 3. So 3 we have written here. Now this 1 of tens place will go at the tens column. Okay, we will not write it like this. We will write like 7 plus 6, 13. It will be wrong. It will be wrong. So the correct way is to write the ones place digit at the ones place, and the tens place digit will go to the tens place column. Now we will add this 1 and 5, 6, and 6 and 1, 7. So the answer, the sum is 73. So here this is an example for two-digit numbers. Now let's take three-digit numbers. Here I have taken three-digit numbers, and now let's add them. So this is ones place. These are ones place digit, and this is tens column. This is hundreds column. So let's first, what we need to do? We need to add the ones column first. So 9 and 9 plus 0 is 9. Then 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is what? 40. 9 plus 5 is 40. Again, this 4 is at the ones place and this 1 is at the tens place. So 4 will be written here at the ones place, and this T will be moved to the tens place one. Now let's add tens place digit. Now 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 6 is 9. And 9 plus 4 is 13. Now 13 tens. This is 13 tens because this is at tens column. We have added tens column. So 13 tens means what? 13 tens means what? 130. So 3 we will write here because 3 tens. For writing, for making 30, you need to write what? 3 tens. So 3 we have written here, and 1 will go as carry. 1 will go as carry. Now we will add hundreds place digit. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So the sum is 934. Now let's see one more example. In this I have taken 4 numbers. I have taken 4 numbers of different digits. So the rule is same, that first we will add ones column, then tens column, then hundreds, and then thousand. So let's add ones column. So 5 plus 0 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 7 is 17. Now again 7 is at the ones place, 1 is at the tens place. So this 7 will be written below the ones place column, and this 110 will go to the tens place column. Now we will add these tens place digit. So 1 and 2 is 3, 3 and 5 is 8, 8 and 2 is 10, and 10 plus 3 is 30. So again 13 tens. Okay, 13 tens. So 13 tens means 130. Means if we will write this 30 tens means 3 will come at the tens place, and this 1 will move to the hundreds place. Now Now let's count the 100 place digits. So 1 plus 6, 7, and 7 plus 3, 10. Now no number is written here, so we will leave and we will write 10 here. Now 10. This is at the ones place and this is at tens place. So 0 will be written here and 1 will go as carry. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. So the sum is 5037. 5037. So this is how you can do addition with carry for any digit numbers and for as many as numbers you want. Now let's come to this second topic, that is subtraction with borrowing. Okay, now first of all I want to remind you that we always subtract a smaller number from a greater number. हम हमेशा एक छोटे नंबर को बड़े नंबर से subtract कर सकते हैं, but we can never subtract a greater number from a smaller number. If I say you that subtract 7 from 5, can you subtract 7 from 5? No, na? Because 5 is smaller. When 7 are not present here, then how can you subtract 7? Correct? So we always subtract a smaller number from a greater number. But there are situations when the number written below is greater than the number written on the top. So how we do it? We do it by subtraction with borrowing. Let's see how we do this. The first one is 52 minus 16. We know that 52 is greater than 16. That's why 52 is written. But when we do subtraction, how we solve it? First we subtract ones place digit and write the difference. Then we subtract tens place digit and write the difference. So this is the ones place digit and these are tens place digits. So here it is 2 minus 6 means we need to subtract 6 from 2. हमें 6 को 2 से subtract करना है, which is not possible. So but this 2 is what? Stubborn. बहुत जल्दी है, इसने बोला है कि मैं तो करूँगा ही 6 को subtract. So what it will going to do? It will borrow from 5. Now this is 5 tens and now 5 is at the tens place, so 5 tens means 50. So it will give 1 10 to here. It will pass its one value to this. So when it will give 1 10 here, 1 10 means 10 ones because 2 is at the ones place. So 2 plus 10 is 12. So this 2 will become 12 and this 5 will reduce to what? 4 because it has given its one value to 2. So now we can easily subtract it. So now this 2 has become 12. So 12 minus 6. What is 12 minus 6? 6. Yes. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So now let's move to this B part. Here it is 350 minus 85. Now doing the same. At first we will subtract ones place digit. But now if you will see here it is 0 minus 5. Now 0 is smaller, 5 is greater. So the 0 will ask from its neighbor, but its neighbor is also 0. But what this 0 will do? This 0 will take a borrow from here, So now this 2 will give its value to this. So this 2 will become 1 because it has given its value, 1 value here, and this 0 will become 10. And now this 10 will give its 1 value to this. So this will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10. When you will subtract 1 from 10, you will get 9. Now 1 subtracted from 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 1 minus 2. क्या करना है? 1 minus 2. क्या हम 2 को subtract कर सकते हैं 1 से? No. Means this 1 will borrow from 4. है ना? This 1 will borrow from 4. So this 4 will give its 1 value here and become 3. Becomes 3. And this 1 will become 11. This 1 has become now 11. Now we can subtract easily. So 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2, 9. And now 3 minus 1. 1 when subtracted from 3 gives you 2. So the difference is 2989. So that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood this well. So we'll meet again.